Understanding Passing Generations, a Journey Through Time. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often crops up in stories, history, and discussions about change: passing generations. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also deepen your appreciation for the stories and histories that shape our world. Let's get started. At its core, passing generations refers to the movement of time across different ages of people. It highlights the transition from one generation to the next, encompassing the idea that as one group of people grows older, a new group comes of age, bringing with them new ideas, technologies, and cultural practices. This phrase often implies a sense of continuity and change, as each generation inherits the world from those that came before, yet also shapes it in its unique way. Generations are typically defined by shared experiences and historical events that shape their views and lifestyles. For instance, the term baby boomers refers to people born in the post-World War II era, a time marked by a significant increase in birth rates. Each generation has its defining traits, challenges, and contributions to society. When we talk about passing generations, we're acknowledging the impact of these groups on our history and culture over time. Understanding how to use this phrase can help you express ideas about time, history, and social change more effectively. Here are a few examples. The story captures the hopes and dreams of passing generations. Technology has evolved rapidly, shaped by the needs and innovations of passing generations. This museum exhibit showcases the fashion trends of passing generations. The concept of passing generations invites us to reflect on the legacy of those who have come before us and consider how we, in turn, will influence the generations that follow. It's a reminder of our place in a larger story of human progress and change. We hope this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of this rich and meaningful phrase. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together.